Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Ryan Flamia, and I am a customer success specialist here at Alteon. And today, I'm going to walk you through a DIT workflow using Alteon Cloud. So I'm going to show you how to create a project, log in, create an account, log in, create a project, then upload media, do some tagging, organize folders, and then finally share your project. So with that said, let's get started. So if you haven't already, let's go over to alteon.io. This is what it will look like. You just want to put in your information for sign in. And then once you verify your email, you want to log in. And I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. And this is what my cloud account looks like. So this is my project gallery. So it shows all the projects I'm working on. So if we go over here, we can go to create project. I'm name this one music, video. And I'm going to open it up, import media to start. So I'm going to upload some media into this project. So I'm going to just drag and drop two cards just right in. Press upload. So you can see I dragged and dropped two folders into my my upload space. So as soon as the upload is started, you can see that the folder structure is actually upheld. So all those folders that I created on my local machine, as soon as I dragged and dropped it into my upload, it is the same. So there's no need to worry about everything kind of being all over the place. With Alteon, the folder structure is upheld. So I just wanted to point that out. And then over here, this is our transfer center, so you can kind of see what's going on with each individual transfer. So you can kind of track, so we have assets 9 of 9, and then you can kind of see the individual progress of each upload. So that's one interesting, one thing I wanted to point out. So this is upload complete. So let's go back and look at it for a second. So let's open one up. So you see it says upload complete transcoding asset. So every video file that is uploaded to Alteon, a proxy is automatically created. So if you work on a proxy workflow, Alteon creates one automatically. So as soon as you download one from our Premiere panel, you could download the proxies or the originals. There's no need to recreate proxies. With Alteon, that is done for you already. So once that's done transcoding, I'm going to show you some cool features we could do with it. But while that's going on, I'm going to add some nested folders because I know I'm going to want to move stuff around. So let's call this day 1. Add another one. 2. And we're going to go within that one. Let's name it stills. You can see that you can create your folder structure within your Alteon Cloud account as well. So there's no need for everything to be perfectly organized on your local machine first. If you want to make some tweaks and changes to your folder organization, that is no problem. You can do that right here in your Alteon Cloud account. So while that's going, I'm going to show you another cool feature. So you can kind of see that some of these look different. So if you want to go to project settings, you can rename it if you would like. And I like to upload an image. It just helps me stay organized. I like to remember things visually. So having an image kind of attached to the project helps me kind of remember what is what, so I know when I'm opening it up without having to really dig through it. Great. So you can see now that the image has changed. All right, so this one's still transcoding, but this one's complete. So let's open this up. So we get some video playback when you open it up. One thing I like, if you use your arrow keys, you get frame by frame video playback. And let that play out. And then over here, we get some, basic information, the name, who was created by is me today, and then metadata on the asset itself. And then we have tags. So tags are searchable within your project. I'm going to name the colors content. So now that I have these tags attached to it, if I'm ever within my project, I'm trying to search for something that, involves flowers or pink or blue, this video will appear. So it's a great way to stay organized. Um, if you kind of just tag your assets, then later on, if you kind of forget what you uploaded, and you just know you have this one thing in mind, you can just search that keyword and your asset will appear. So if you go over here next to the title, there's this nice big ellipses. We click that, you can see we have some options. I'm going to show you copy asset link. So now it's copied to my clipboard. So if I just paste it right into another tab, it will open this asset up. You can see it expires in 24 hours. It's shared by me. I can't do any tagging or uploading or anything, any of the cool features I just showed you. So this is kind of just like a quick screener to send out for people just to get a quick look. So you can see that it's just a link. So actually anyone could view this. Non-Alteon users are able to view this content as long as you share it with them, which is just a great feature. And then if we want, we could take this and let's move it. Let's move it to card B. And then we could take this one. Let's go to card A, day 2. So you can see that you can create your folder structure, but you can also move things around. So if things aren't exactly where you want them to be, that's no problem. You can kind of just move it around as you please within your Alteon Cloud project. Then one last feature I'm going to show everyone. We go back, so to our project gallery, right under create project, there's join project. But in order to join a project, you need a code. So let's open this up. So it says settings, delete, share. So we want to share this project. Let's just enter the email person we're sharing it with. And I'm going to mark them as a collaborator because they are to an editor. So I also want them to upload and do some tagging and kind of organize my folders as well. I don't want them to just be able to view it. So I'm going to check my email and look, I've been invited to join music video on Alteon Cloud. So let's copy that code. That is the key thing we need. We've got to copy that code and go back and right under join or create project, there's join project. And it's going to ask for project code and boom, you enter that and we are in the project. So now this project will be visible in the gallery just like it is on my computer and I'll have all the same functionality, except now it will also be on the project gallery of the editor I just shared it with. And that is how you use Alteon Cloud. And if you just want a brief preview, this is our Premiere Pro extension. So once you sign in or download that and sign in, so I'm having a little technical difficulty, but that is a basic DIT workflow with Alteon Cloud. So I would like to thank everyone for joining me today. If you want to go over and create an account at alteon.io, feel free and go ahead and do that. We host webinars daily. And if you weren't able to make yesterday's or any of the days, we post recordings on them on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So check us out on social media and thank you for joining.